Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric shavers for cats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Wahl Professional Animal Bravura Pet Clipper. The main feature that sets this shaver apart from the popular Wahl Arco model is the powerful lithium-ion battery. This battery provides the Bravura with longer-lasting battery life as well as a shorter charging time. While the Bravura might be a little pricier, it has a stronger motor and a longer running time than cheaper models. The Bravura is also sleekly designed and easy to handle. It is an excellent shaver for those who are just starting as well as seasoned pros. The short charging time also makes it ideal for cat owners with multiple cats. In addition to all these great features, the Bravura can also operate while still plugged into the outlet. This gives it a bit of an edge over its competitors as they must be fully charged to operate. Overall, this is an excellent and versatile cat shaver that is perfect for cats of any hair length. Moving on, at number 4, we have the oneisall Pet Clipper Kit. The oneisall shaver is an excellent option for those cat owners who are budget conscious but still looking for a quality shaver. This model includes a lithium-ion battery, which is rare in this price range. This kit is ideal for cat owners of all breeds and varieties, including those with long or unruly hair. The kit also includes 6 different length comb guides, as well as a blade cleaner and oil, and a stainless steel comb, which is great for everyday use. This shaver only emits a 50 decibels noise, so that it will provide a quiet and calming trim for your anxious cat. This model operates well for 80 minutes and requires 80 minutes to charge fully. The long-lasting lithium-ion battery, lightweight design, and powerful motor are the reasons that this budget shaver is brilliant value for money. At number 3, we have the Wahl Clipper Pet Pro Dog Grooming Kit. The Wahl Clipper Pet Pro is a fully equipped grooming kit that is ready to get you grooming right out of the box. The kit includes numerous guide combs, styling combs, a mirror, oil, cleaning brush, and a powerful yet quiet shaver. This is not only a budget-friendly option, but it is perfect for those looking to style their cat's hair using the different length guide combs. Don't let the price fool you though. This is still a high-quality kit. The blade is constructed with high-quality carbon steel blades that are self-sharpening. These blades will remain sharp for an extended period of time with no issues or sharpening. The included guide combs also make it a breeze to trim your cat's fur to the perfect length or style. The guide combs also make sure that you are cutting your cat's fur to the ideal length in one stroke, so your nervous cat will be finished and back to hiding under the couch in no time. At number 2, we have the Wahl Professional Animal Arco Cordless Clipper. The Wahl Arco Cordless Shaver is a professional-grade device that you would see in any groomer's arsenal. Many people think that this is one of the best and most versatile shavers on the market today. The Wahl brand has proven to be products that are made to last and built to high standards. This shaver is both lightweight and portable. It also has the ability to operate at around 500 strokes per minute, which is higher than most of its competitors. The Wahl Arco also runs at a cool temperature that will keep your cat comfortable and calm. The Arco's cordless nature also means that you won't be tangling you or your cat in any pesky cables. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oster A5 Turbo 2-Speed Professional Clipper. The Oster A5 is the best choice for cats with long hair for a number of reasons. First of all, it has the option to select the speed between 3,000 and 4,000 strokes per minute without sacrificing efficiency. This means that it will trim through any tough or matted cat hair with ease. Secondly, it is powerful while remaining safe and comfortable to use. The power actually increases this shaver's safety, by allowing the groomer to glide through even the toughest coat with ease. This shaver is built with a high-quality motor that remains powerful trim after trim, without creating excess noise or heat that will upset your cat. Also, due to the power of this shaver, you won't have any irritation or pulling. When your cat is happy, you can be satisfied. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.